Hey, good morning. What's going on, guys? It's April 7th, about 6:40 in the morning. We're gonna go try to get on a turkey. It rained real hard last night, and I've been seeing some over in the side of a field over here on the edge of a big pine ridge. So, I'm gonna go set up. They probably won't gobble this morning. It's real cloudy and nasty. Wind's blowing a little bit, but I figure if it rained last night, the first thing a turkeys is gonna want to do is be out in that little field there. So maybe we'll get on one this morning. Who knows? I'm gonna put Taylor behind the gun, so we'll see. But anyway, I'll get back, Williams. Just gobble one time, dude. Might not be close enough yet. That's crazy. Why will he not gobble at me? Well, the turkey that we had the info on over here in this pasture is a ghost. We pulled up, jumped up out of the truck, and he gobbled twice. We snuck up in here up in these draws above his field, and he will not respond to us. But every time somebody knocks a piece of farm equipment together, he gobbles. But he just won't respond to diaphragms, slates, nothing. So we chased him all over these tops in here for the past hour. So I think we're just gonna let him live another day, and we'll come back and kill him some other time. Because this is like playing musical chairs with a dang turkey.
All right, guys, it's almost Thursday afternoon. We're getting about 11 o'clock, almost noon. We had a pretty tough morning, and Dad, he just called. He's been checking on some cattle this morning. Called, got a strutter in one of our cow pastures. We're gonna go, another one of our cow pastures. We're gonna go and try to give it another crawl and see what we can get done. We'll let you know. Stay tuned.
If he goes behind that hill, he's done. Try and make it to the stump. Am I good? If he could pop up over that top, dude, you could blow his face off. Down low. Him now. Oh, son. Oh, he snuck up on the turkey. He's right there. He's probably 65 yards. I'm gonna take this off. He's right there, dude. Alright, let me look one more time. Okay. You see the big tree right here on the edge of the field, the big bushy one? Yeah. He's right there in front of that one. Alright, dude, I'm telling you, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful, man. He's right there, Taylor. You gotta wait. He's right there. Get your gun up. Get your gun. You're about to see him. You're about to see him.
He's not in range. That's not in range.
Yeah.
Dude,
Yeah. He's following them two hens. He's damn close. Go. Go. Don't move, Taylor. Don't move. Don't move. He's seen us. You're okay. Just stay there. You can try him if you want to. Nope. Shoot him. It's okay. It's okay.
That's a long ways.
They say people who don't miss turkeys don't hunt enough, and I believe it to be true. Everybody misses turkeys. He was a little far. It's kind of deceiving in them fields just how far they are, but it was either shoot right then or not shoot at all, because he'd seen us when we topped the hill. But he was in the 65. He was getting on out there. But you know, I'm pretty confident with that gun at 60 yards. But he was a little
maybe
bit,
with the right shot behind it.
but it's okay. We'll be back after him. I think it was a clean miss. Bird went down, and so I think we'll probably just get back on him this weekend. But thanks for tuning in. We'll be back at you with another one.